Good morning. Good news. At last, the government are easing lockdown a bit. So now means we can actually get out. So today, what we're going to do, we're going to have a little drive out to a local place called Charlecote, which is near Warwick. I'm going to take a drone with me and we're going to fly a little bit over the National Trust property of Charlecote. And at the same time, let's take the Tesla out for a run and enjoy. See you in a bit. Cheers. Bye-bye. Right, so there we are. Tess, or Snow White, or Tesla, has been in hibernation for a little while now. I've done a few things. I've changed the number plate, so it's now just stuck on. And I've done the same with the front, which is just a stick-on plate. This one is the original plate. I took all the brackets off, used 3M, double-sided tape, stuck it on. The car's looking a bit dirty at the moment, so a little bit ashamed of that. It needs a good clean, but I've cleaned it umpteen times during the lockdown, and within a few days it's filthy again. Another thing that I've done, I've put some scuff guards on, and we're charged and ready to go. Right, lockdown has now been eased slightly in the UK. It's now stay alert, whatever that's supposed to mean. It's a partial lockdown. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to get out, have a little drive around in the country and just see the sights. This is the beautiful countryside of the UK.